1977 USA 1-cent coin. Today, we're diving deep into the intriguing world of the 1977 USA 1-cent coin. This video will provide a thorough exploration of its historical context, rarity, value, and recent auction results. We'll also examine why certain 1977 pennies have been known to fetch millions of dollars. So grab your magnifying glass and let's get started. Historical background. To truly appreciate the significance of the 1977 penny, we need to understand the historical backdrop against which it was minted. Economic and social context. The 1970s were a decade marked by significant economic and social change in the United States. The early part of the decade was characterized by economic challenges, including inflation and an oil crisis, which had profound effects on the American economy and everyday life. Minting and production. In 1977, the United States Mint produced the 1-cent coin in two primary locations, Philadelphia and Denver. The Philadelphia Mint, established in 1792, is known for its historical significance and extensive coin production capabilities. The Denver Mint, on the other hand, was established in 1906 and is renowned for its high-quality coin production. Design and composition. The 1977 Lincoln Cent features the familiar design by Victor David Brenner, introduced in 1909. The obverse showcases Abraham Lincoln's profile, while the reverse features the Lincoln Memorial, designed by Frank Gasparro in 1959. These coins were minted in copper, specifically a composition of 95% copper and 5% zinc. Each penny weighs 3.11 grams and has a diameter of 19.05 millimeters. The design remained unchanged from previous years, but the 1977 penny is significant due to some unique factors that we'll discuss shortly. Collecting and numismatic significance. Collectors value the 1977 penny not only for its historical significance but also for its design and craftsmanship. As a piece of American numismatic history, it reflects the era in which it was minted and continues to be of interest to collectors and investors alike. Rarity and varieties. One of the most fascinating aspects of the 1977 penny is its rarity and the different varieties that can significantly affect its value. General mintage numbers. In 1977, the United States Mint produced a substantial number of pennies. The Philadelphia Mint struck approximately 2.5 billion pennies, while the Denver Mint produced around 2.6 billion pennies. Despite these high numbers, some specific varieties and errors make certain 1977 pennies highly sought after. Rare varieties and errors. One of the most notable errors is the 1977 double die obverse, DDO, penny. This error occurs when the coin is struck more than once with a slight misalignment, resulting in a doubled image of the design. Collectors prize these errors for their rarity and the interesting characteristics they present. Another sought-after variety is the 1977 D-repunched mint mark, RPM, penny. This error occurs when the mint mark is punched into the die more than once, creating a doubled or overlapping appearance of the D mint mark. Factors affecting rarity. The rarity of these varieties and errors is influenced by several factors, including the condition of the coin and the number of known examples. Coins in higher grades or with significant errors are rarer and more valuable. Professional grading services like the Professional Coin Grading Service, PCGS, and the Numismatic Guarantee Corporation, NGC, use standardized criteria to assess a coin's condition. Coins graded by these organizations often command higher prices due to their guaranteed authenticity and quality. Collecting rare varieties. For collectors looking to acquire rare 1977 pennies, knowing what to look for is crucial. Magnification tools, detailed reference guides, and networking with other collectors can be invaluable resources. Value assessment. Determining the value of a 1977 penny involves considering several factors, including its condition, rarity, and current market demand. Grading and condition. Coins are graded on a scale from 1 to 70, with higher numbers indicating better condition. Uncirculated coins, those with a grade of 60 or higher, are generally more valuable than those that have been circulated extensively. Market trends. Market trends play a significant role in the value of 1977 pennies. Recent years have seen fluctuations in coin values, with high-grade specimens and rare errors commanding premium prices. Examples of recent sales and price ranges. Recent sales have highlighted the range of values for 1977 pennies. For instance, a 1977 double-die obverse penny in MS65 condition might sell for around $200 to $500, while a well-preserved 1977 DRPM penny could fetch between $100 and $300, depending on its grade. Recent auctions and sales. Recent auctions have featured several high-profile sales of 1977 pennies, particularly those with rare errors or in exceptional condition. Auction houses such as Heritage Auctions and Stack's Bowers have handled some impressive transactions. High-profile auctions. One notable sale was a 1977 double-die obverse penny in MS67, which sold for over $2,500 at a Heritage Auctions event. Another impressive sale involved a 1977 DRPM penny in MS66 condition, which fetched nearly $1,200. Record sales and notable high-value transactions. Record sales for 1977 pennies have demonstrated the strong demand and high value of these coins. For example, a 1977 double-die obverse in exceptionally high grade sold for a staggering $5,000, reflecting the premium collectors are willing to pay for rare specimens. Price fluctuations. Price fluctuations are common in the numismatic market, influenced by factors such as market demand, the discovery of new specimens, and overall economic conditions. Experts often provide insights into these trends, helping collectors understand future value expectations. Finding valuable 1977 pennies. Finding valuable 1977 pennies can be an exciting and rewarding endeavor. Whether you're searching through rolls of pennies or examining your own collection, here are some tips for identifying potentially valuable coins. What to look for. When searching for valuable 1977 pennies, pay close attention to the condition of the coin and any notable varieties or errors. Look for signs of doubling, repunched mint marks, and overall coin quality. Using magnification tools. Magnification tools, such as jeweler's loupes or digital microscopes, are essential for examining small details on the coin. These tools can help you spot errors and assess the coin's condition accurately. Consulting reference guides. Detailed reference guides and coin catalogs can provide valuable information on identifying rare varieties and errors. They can also help you understand the grading system and